Have you ever wondered what terrifying secrets the universe might be hiding in its vast expanse? The universe, a mind-bogglingly gigantic maze of stars, galaxies, and mysteries, is not just a sparkling canvas of beautiful galaxies and nebulas. While we often marvel at its beauty, there's a darker, more terrifying side to it that we seldom explore. This cosmic playground is home to some truly eerie and terrifying places so fearsome they can make your skin crawl. We're not talking about a haunted house on the corner of your street or a creepy forest in your town. We're delving into the cosmic horrors that lie billions of light years away from us. From freezing cold nebulas to planets where it literally rains glass, the universe is filled with places that are the stuff of nightmares. So, hold on to your seats, keep your minds open, and brace yourselves as we begin our countdown of the 5 most terrifying places in the known universe. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Boomerang Nebula. It's not a name that immediately sends chills down your spine, but don't let that fool you. This celestial body holds a chilling secret, quite literally. The Boomerang Nebula, located in the constellation Centaurus, is the coldest known place in the entire universe. Now, when we say cold, we don't mean a light dusting of snow and a need for mittens. We're talking about temperatures that plunge to a staggering minus 272.15 degrees Celsius. To put that into perspective, it's colder than the surface of Pluto in winter, and that's saying something. But what makes the Boomerang Nebula even more astonishing is that it's colder than the afterglow of the Big Bang, the natural background temperature of space. That's right, this nebula, with its hauntingly beautiful structure, is chillier than the residual radiation left from the very event that created the universe. The Boomerang Nebula is a place where the usual laws of the universe seem to take a pause. It's a place where extreme cold rules, where the icy grip of the void holds sway. It's a celestial spectacle that leaves us in awe of the terrifyingly beautiful extremes that exist in our universe. A place so cold, it makes our Arctic winters seem like a tropical vacation. That's the Boomerang Nebula for you. At number 4, we have something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi horror movie, the Black Widow Pulsar. But before we delve into its spine-chilling characteristics, let's get to know what a pulsar is. Essentially, a pulsar is a highly magnetized, rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation. Picture it as a lighthouse in the cosmos, spinning and emitting beams of light. Now imagine a particular pulsar that doesn't just emit beams of light, but a deadly stream of particles and radiation. That's the Black Widow Pulsar for you. Named after the infamous Black Widow spider, which is known for its deadly bite and the female's habit of devouring its mate after copulation, this pulsar is no less terrifying. Situated thousands of light years away, the Black Widow Pulsar is in a binary system with a companion star. However, instead of living in harmony, the pulsar is slowly but surely killing its partner. The pulsar's intense gravitational pull draws material from its companion star, and the high-energy particle winds and radiation emitted by the pulsar are gradually eroding the star. It's like the pulsar is slowly eating its companion star alive. The Black Widow Pulsar is a chilling example of the destructive powers that exist in our universe. It's a stark reminder that even amongst the beauty and wonder of the cosmos, there are places of unspeakable terror. The Black Widow Pulsar, a cosmic vampire sucking the life out of its partner star. Coming in at number 3, we have a place much closer to home, our neighboring planet Venus. Now, don't let its proximity fool you. This is no friendly neighbor. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to their similar size and composition, is anything but sibling-like when it comes to hospitality. Imagine Earth, but strip away the lush greenery, the calming blue oceans, and the breathable air. Replace all of that with scorching temperatures, crushing atmospheric pressure, and clouds that rain sulfuric acid. Yes, you heard it right, sulfuric acid. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching an unimaginable 867 degrees Fahrenheit. To put that into perspective, it's hot enough to melt lead. Not to mention, the atmospheric pressure on Venus is 92 times that of Earth's. So, if you somehow managed to land on Venus, you wouldn't last very long. The pressure would crush you before the heat could even get to you. But it gets worse. Venus's atmosphere is made up of thick, toxic clouds that create a greenhouse effect. These clouds trap the sun's heat, making the planet even hotter. And these clouds don't just bring heat, they bring acid rain, a rain so corrosive it can eat through metal. Venus, a reminder that not all Earth-like planets are hospitable. At number 2, we have the galactic cannibal, IC 1101. Imagine a galaxy so colossal it makes our own Milky Way seem like a mere speck of dust in comparison. Welcome to IC 1101, the largest known galaxy in the observable universe. This behemoth is not just massive, it's ravenous, consuming anything that dares to cross its path. IC 1101 is located about 1 billion light-years away in the constellation of Virgo. It's estimated to be approximately 6 million light-years in diameter. To give you some perspective, our Milky Way is only about 100,000 light-years across. That's a size difference that's hard to fathom. But what truly earns IC 1101 its title as the galactic cannibal is its insatiable appetite for other galaxies. Galactic cannibalism is a phenomenon where larger galaxies, through their gravitational pull, attract and merge with smaller ones. This process is not a quick snack. It can take billions of years. However, the result is the creation of supergalaxies like IC 1101. This cannibalistic behavior is not unique to IC 1101. Many galaxies partake in this cosmic feast. But IC 1101 is the most terrifying of them all, simply because of its sheer size and the number of galaxies it has devoured. IC 1101, a monstrous galaxy with an insatiable appetite for its neighbors. Finally, the most terrifying place in the known universe, the Great Void. Picture an expanse of space so vast and so empty that it staggers the imagination. Welcome to the cosmic voids, vast spaces between filaments, the largest structures in the universe. Now, among these cosmic voids, one stands out due to its sheer size and emptiness, the Great Void. This is not just any void, it's the largest known void in the universe. Stretching over a mind-boggling 330 million light-years, it's a region almost devoid of galaxies. This grand-scale emptiness is not just terrifying, but also a subject of great mystery. Scientists have been scratching their heads trying to understand why such a massive part of the universe is so empty. Is it simply a statistical fluke? Or is there an unknown force at play? The Great Void, a vast emptiness that reminds us of the infinite mysteries the universe still holds.